Well, hi everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandmom, and I've got the Valentine's Day. These are the greeting cards that I got from my granddaughter. Let me slide around so we can see a little bit better. These are the greeting cards I got from my granddaughter, and I got these to review. And they've got little pins to go with them, and they have cutie pie to cutie pie and to sweet and to true love. We're going to not get that one. She's only 8. They've got love, and they've got my pal, and they've got my BFF, and they've got all these wonderful pins on here. There's 48 of them, so there's enough to give Ari to give to her little friend. So if you like these, like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section, and I will put everything also, all of their information in the comment section. So I love you. Happy Valentine's Day. Well, not yet, but anyway. Take care. I love you. God bless. Bye-bye.